This application allows you to use the different cell phones, manage chats by folders, and have more control over large groups. The first interesting feature is the Save Messages. With this option, Telegram allows you to create a personal address book, a chat in which only you are there and you can save messages and files that you like. You can also schedule messages to remind you of things you have to do or important appointments. If you want to make a poll, you can apply it to any group. You can make it to administrators or any participant of the group with the administrator's permission. The slow mode is a feature that is especially intended for administrators of large groups. In these chats, where many people come together, the messages arriving at any given time can be overwhelming. As a solution, Telegram has given more control to administrators. The administrators determines what actions all members of the group can or cannot perform, whether you want them to send polls, videos, GIFs, or add new users. Below that section is the slow mode, where a waiting time is set between one message and another, between 20 seconds and an hour, so that members do not write all at once and there is a certain order and calmness in that chat. They write a message and the system sends them progressively. If you want to edit send messages, you must select the message and activate the edit button. Once corrected, you send it again and the chat will indicate that the message has been edited, so that the other participants know it. Although, if you are fast, you may not have had time to see what you put in the first place.